Okay, so we have a 94 to 95 Mustang 5-liter computer harness. Customer came in, wanted to move to the Holley EFI system, and wanted to use all the hardware that came with the Holley, the wiring and everything, instead of using our simple plug-and-play adapter. So what we had to do to get this to work is we can't use the CCRM anymore. So we got rid of it, put in our own relay module so we could keep the low speed fan, the high speed fan, fuel pump, and the AC wide open throttle cut off. The customer asked us to extend the fan wiring. They are going to keep the low level antifreeze or coolant sensor along with air conditioning. This is your power. Turn signals run through here. And then to make installation easier, we go ahead and do a Holley I/O connection. So this will plug into the Holley main harness, and this already has the outputs pre-pinned for the fans and the AC wide open throttle cutoff, and then the input for the AC. This is for the transmission. We leave a fuel pump trigger wire for the Holley right out here in the open. These are your internal wiring for your gauge clusters, for your gauges in your gauge cluster. 12 volt switch, hot and start and run. Left that open. This is for an internal sensor they will be using that we left for them. And to make things easier and simplified, we use we lost it here, the transmission harness connection on the factory harness to run our gauge feeds for the oil pressure. Let's unravel this here. So our gauge feeds for temp, tach signal, oil pressure, and oil level. And then we have our speed sensor and our backup connection. And because we make it and we use it, it's compact. And it just plugs right in.
There's the boss.